Make $147 per order selling these super hot new digital reports. Hi, Lee Cusano here from Reprint. Writes, biz.com. If you want to make some real money, you want to trade products for dollars and not your valuable time working by the hour. The old way is slow and boring and it takes way too long to make any money. You also need some big ticket items to sell so you can make $100 a day and more. I have always gotten orders for $97 items. Also, trading hours for your dollars is very limited simply because you can only work so many hours in a day. But with instant cash download products, you can sell as many products as you want all day long using the power of duplication. I chose publishing products that people can instantly use to make money within their own publishing businesses because excitement and hope sells. And this is money that can be made in split seconds, all because of instant downloads, even while you are sleeping or are on vacation. Let the machine do it. You can even use impulse items to make quick sales for growing your email list and getting big ticket sales. This is an old secret for growing your list and getting larger follow-up orders. No manual labor is needed. You can make money while you sleep with instant downloads or while you are out and about. This means no mailing packages and no shipping costs or fulfillment worries. And no having to run to the boring post office and wasting your time waiting in line. Even sell individual offers on the product page, like a mini catalog, plus the complete series and make $147 per order. Make more money in your own publishing business. Introducing the new Big Ticket Digital Report Series. Here is how to set yourself up in business instantly. You get a web page to sell the individual reports and you get a page to sell individual reports or the whole series for the large cash orders. All 6 of these reports, they each come with their own sales web pages too, are designed to help you build up your list of cash buyers fast for more future sales. With this product, you can get multiple priced orders or the big kahuna, all for $147 and take the rest of the day off. You can make money while you sleep. Wake up refreshed and not have to go to work. You will have an instant digital publishing business you didn't have to work for. All you do is add your pay buttons and start advertising. The more big ticket offers you have, the more chances you have to make $97 a day or more. You get it all, 6 publishers' products plus this sales flyer, for only $147. Save $33. Go here. http://reprintwritesbiz.com/bigticket.fail, or click on show more below. Once you order, your new business will automatically be in your email in an instant download even if it's 3 a.m. in the morning.